What makes Loon Escape Tours different from other Toronto tour companies?
I remember when I visited Hong Kong for the first time, we met up with a couple of local friends who showed us around, and it ended up being one of the best, most spontaneous and fun travel experiences I've ever had. Granted, I woke up in the same clothes and missing a shoe. I wouldn't have done it any other way. I think most people would agree that exploring a new city with a local will always be more culturally rich and rewarding than joining a horde of 30 tourists on a sightseeing bus. It's this kind of rich local experience that we try and replicate with our tours.
今天很好，导游很好玩，我也玩得很开心。
C'était sympa, ces gars-là, ils connaissent la ville.
You can get weed legally here in Toronto.
Ey, die Tour war super geil und ich habe zum Schluss auch noch so ein Foto bekommen.
Where does Toronto rank in terms of population in North America?
6? Second?
I think number 4.
You are correct!
We're a group of young, energetic individuals who left our corporate 9-to-5s to build something that combines our passions of travel, human connection, and of course, our city of Toronto. And to be honest with you, I believe our tours are more than just seeing the city. It's those special moments of connection that you share with a stranger over a coffee or a drink that we try and cultivate in every tour we do.